Okay, I'm going to show you how to apply Oracle 651 vinyl to a wine glass. First, you need to clean the glass with rubbing alcohol. Let's put this back. You just want to put on a paper towel and take the paper towel and clean it off. Clean off the glass, at least the outside. And then you let it dry after you just do a nice quick clean. It keeps the dirt and the dust away, because if you don't do that, if you don't clean off the dirt and the dust, the vinyl has a problem sticking to the glass. And then you're going to take the transfer tape and for some reason this one's curving, but usually it's not that bad. It's kind of complicated because I have gloves on. Okay, and you're gonna scrape. And all this extra stuff that's on the table, that's vinyl. I need to clean this table off, like scrape it off. Okay, you're just gonna scrape the transfer tape and the vinyl together. And you're gonna slowly peel. Sometimes you don't want to peel too hard because sometimes it doesn't get everything. And there's my piece. But I want to cut it so that it's not too big and bulky, because the bigger the piece of transfer tape is, the harder it is to apply. So you want to cut it down as much as you can, to where you can still grip it, but it doesn't give you too much problems. And you cut it down. There's my piece. There's excess over here. Okay, see, there's my piece. Now, to do this next, I'm going to take it and fold it a little, like bend it to the middle, and lay the middle part down first so that I can see what the center is. Like, kind of eyeball the center. And you're going to rub the center so that it has a nice, so that it lays nice. Because you can't really rub all over, or else it gets like kind of messed up and doesn't lay very well. And you're just going to rub from center and apart. So you start to the center part of it and rub away from each other. I noticed that's what helps it lay best. And sorry if I'm talking quietly, I've been sick. Okay, I'm just going to kind of get it, like the idea of it laying there. And then you're going to use this tool to scrape. Yeah, rubbing alcohol is a must. You're just going to scrape it real good. Like, I like to go down each word and letter and just make sure I scrape each one. And then I slowly peel. There's always like a part that doesn't want to lay down. That's pretty normal. You just gotta kind of work with it. See? You just peel slowly. And then I always do like an extra rub because it like helps it even more. I don't know. I notice it stays better. And there you go. That's the Oracle 651. It's supposed to be more permanent. than the other vinyl. I think it's 631 or something. I don't know. I never buy it. But this is the Oracle 651. I'll put links in the thing below so you can check out all the stuff I use. But there's your glass.